3 ways to make ₱1,000,000 that comes from the Bible. And you won't believe kung ano ang number 1. Number 3, just work a little bit harder. If you stay long enough, cumulatively, you will make ₱1,000,000. What matters is how much you save and invest. Number 2, invest your money. If you are not investing your money, then you are not becoming a good steward to the wealth that is trusted to you. Read the parable of the talents because investing is a godly thing. Number 3, good people leave an inheritance to their children's children. Kaya kapatid, kung wala kang matatanggap na mana, it is your time to build wealth para meron kang maipapamana sa iyong children's children. See you on my next video.